my God, we back! Damn, you're hearing nasty as hell. Like that. Nah, what's up, guys? I'm about to show you how to braid hair again. You feel me? This is gonna be another tutorial on how to braid hair. You feel me? I'm just starting out real quick with my hair looking crazy as hell. But nah, I'm just parting my hair down the side. You feel me? I might just do like 4 braids in this video. You feel me? Last video I did 2 braids, which is a little bit easier, but now I'm gonna show y'all just to switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all 4 braids. So what I'm doing right now is basically, this is the beginning of the braid. So I'm basically using my index finger, which is basically your pointer finger, and I'm putting my finger through the other side of the hair and grabbing the hair on the other side, if that makes sense. Just like this. Like, watch the index finger. That's basically the finger that's doing all the work. You feel me? And like, I'm just grabbing hair on the other side and I'm adding hair as I go along. And usually, like, after a while, I kind of like comb the hair out just to like remove any knots. You feel me? Because you are braiding your hair, it's gonna get knotted a little bit, so you gotta have a comb nearby. So if you see me reaching down, I'm reaching down to put more gel in my hair, and at the same time I'm also reaching down to get the comb as well. So bear with me. I'm trying to show you guys how I'm braiding and show you guys what I'm doing, but at the same time I need to use both my hands. But I also gotta comb my hair, and then I also gotta add gel. So it's like I'm working with a lot of different things right now. So just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. So basically, you can kind of see like the braid starting to form a little bit. Kind of, if I bring my big ass head down a little bit. But yeah, you could kind of see. For me, and I just parted my hair like with the what's it called? I don't even know what that thing's called. A clamp, like that white clamp. Yeah, that's basically what's holding the other side of my hair, just so I can have my hair sectioned the way it's supposed to be sectioned, if that makes sense. I'm not the best best describer of like these different terms. I'm still new to like natural hair, but like, yeah, you guys could just watch what I'm doing. I'm still using that index finger to put it through the hair and grab more hair on the other side. That's basically the easiest way I could describe it for y'all, because I want you guys to learn it the easy way. Like, that's the simplest way, because I don't want to like go too much into detail, because like that's gonna make it too complicated for y'all. You know what I mean? Like, braiding can be very simple. Like, if I can do it, you can do it. Like, it's nothing complicated. It looks complicated, but it's honestly not that complicated. It looks way more complicated than what it actually is. If you see some white stuff in my hair, that's just like gel. I think I just put like too much gel, and it's just like gulps of gel and just on my hair. But yeah, you can pretty much see the braid form. Once I get to the end, you guys are gonna see pretty much. And I'm gonna fast forward a little bit just so you guys don't have to see like the whole process and be here like bored, you know what I mean, for like hours or whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. You know. Alright guys, so I finished the first braid. So I'm moving on to the second one. This is the second one pretty much. And I'm just putting some gel on just to slick down the little baby hairs or whatever, the little hairs that don't want to cooperate. And I'm also fixing my part just to make sure it's straight, because you don't want to be out here looking crazy with no side part looking crazy that's not symmetrical. You're gonna be looking like Helga from Rugrats. Like, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to start braiding right now. I'm gonna do the same process, so pretty much on the same braid. We have the first little piece of hair in the beginning in the front, you feel me? Just like that, about that same size, real small. And then use your index finger. I hope my hands aren't like really blocking you guys from seeing, because I got some big behind hands. Like, I got some like sloth freaking Frankenstein type hands. So like, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I mean, because I do have to braid at the same time, but like show y'all. So I'm trying to do it the best I can and angle my head. Like, yo, my neck was ringing. Like, I can't even lie. My neck, like the way that I have to angle my head so y'all can see what I'm doing. Like, the back of my neck was really on fire. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, the back of my head was really on fire. So like, please just leave a like and subscribe, and please comment just for the fact that I went through so much pain to show y'all this tutorial. Like, please help your boy, please, please. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna just fast forward because y'all pretty much know the process by now, so y'all could just watch along while I play some music. So let's go.
Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa, she be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Girl she throwing it back, riding on my day, and I fall in love. Love tragedy, but I do not see that she loves me. Love is like a drug, ecstasy. Need you vodka, hit it from the back. Every time I leave, always come right back. It's a rap, how can you say that? Are you mad? Cause I can't love you back. Why won't you stay? Can you please stay? I'm begging on my knees, I'm trying to tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa, she be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Man, I don't even know what to tell her like. Where I wanna be, yeah. Where I wanna be, where I wanna be. Keem. I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I is flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do this, bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Putting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I is flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do this, bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Putting in my brain, can you feel my pain? This feels insane, days pain, I need a break. Rolling in my mind, I wish you could relate. Feeling like it's only me, don't wanna make a right. I wanna cry, wanna fight, me up inside. Yeah. Voices in my head, talk to me. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. It's getting so bad, don't wanna think. It ain't cool, it ain't cool. Never you, never you. Leave me alone, I feel so alone. Before the sun wakes, please take me home. Try to stop these thoughts, but no, I cannot give. What is all of this? I'm stuck, Matrix. I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the.
So yeah, guys, this is the final product. What do you guys think? I think I did pretty good. You feel me? I did this myself. It's pretty decent. You know, it's not the best braids, but it's not the worst either. Don't mind the size of my hair. I definitely need a shape up. I definitely need like a cut or taper on the sides. Like the naps is out of control. But guys, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and thank you guys so much for watching. We out. Let's go.